Hello everyone, welcome to the RevAuto Amazon channel. In today's video, you'll discover some helpful and relevant car products that might catch your interest. You can find all the product links in the video description below. Let's go! This high-pressure washer gun features a built-in shampoo reservoir. When attached to the nozzle, it generates a dense, rich foam that helps clean your car more effectively. With a 120 milliliter capacity, the reservoir holds enough solution to wash a moderately dirty, medium-sized vehicle. Although it's constructed from plastic, the device can also be connected to a regular garden hose, albeit with reduced performance compared to a high-pressure water source. This tool connects to a compressor and serves a dual purpose. It can be used as a standard blowdown gun and, when reversed, functions as a suction device. It features a small bag designed to collect rubber residue, dust, talcum powder, and various other substances. Due to its versatility, it is a common fixture in tire repair shops and service stations. The unit is equipped with a nozzle similar to that of a conventional vacuum cleaner, a corrugated tube, and clamps to secure the hoses. Xenon lamps are versatile and can be used as either the primary light source or as supplementary illumination. The manufacturer provides options in various power ratings and light intensities, including yellow, white, and highly saturated white. These lamps are designed for easy installation, long-lasting durability, and efficient power consumption. Remember to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for wattage and socket type when making your selection. Traveling with a child means you always need to bring along plenty of little items. The offered organizer attaches neatly to the back of the front seat and is made of faux leather, available in black, brown, gray, or champagne. It includes 2 large pockets, 4 small pockets, 2 bottle pockets, dedicated spaces for napkins and an umbrella, and can even serve as a foot mat for your child if needed. Each package comes with 1 organizer. Extended socket heads designed for power tools significantly simplify your work by allowing you to reach those tricky spots on your vehicle. They're also compatible with manual socket tools for home use, and the complete kit includes 21 interchangeable heads of various diameters. The next product is a compact injector diagnostic and cleaning station. It hooks up to a battery, and the injectors are connected so that pulses can be applied to them. The device sends out pulses at varying frequencies until the injector is thoroughly cleaned. The kit includes the tester, the power cables, and the nozzle mounts. Both in your vehicle and at home, there aren't many available power outlets. This car splitter provides 2 USB ports for charging mobile devices, GPS units, and other gadgets. It also features 3 cigarette lighter sockets and power outputs controlled by 3 LED backlit buttons. Additionally, the kit includes an adhesive holder to conveniently secure the splitter on your dashboard. If you're a fan of travel, rural excursions, or country adventures, you'll appreciate this compact, cost-effective, and convenient shower. It's not just for a quick rinse. It can also be used to wash your car or for other household tasks. Powered by a 12-volt cigarette lighter, it features a 7-foot hose and offers adjustable water pressure. The package comes complete with the car shower unit, a nozzle, fittings, and a transportation bag. This kit of bearing extractors and a reverse hammer is engineered for disassembling various types of bearings. It includes 8 extractors in different sizes, along with a reverse hammer that features a T-handle. To use it, first screw on an extractor of the correct size to the puller. Then, insert the extractor through the hole into the bearing and tighten the nut on the puller to activate the extractor. Finally, the slide hammer enables you to remove the bearing in just a few strikes without causing any damage. The tool is made from sturdy steel and is supplied in an attractive red or blue case. These clip holders are responsible for securing the sun visors in the vehicle. In some car models, the clips tend to crack or break over time due to frequent use and prolonged sun exposure, which causes them to dry out. As a result, these components are highly practical and universally compatible. The clip itself is anchored in a dedicated slot in the headliner, and you can choose between gray or beige finishes. A humorous sticker transforms your hatchback's rear window into a joyful Dalmatian, with the wiper acting as its wagging tail. Each time you use the wiper, it brings a smile to the drivers behind you, making them less likely to overtake. Measuring 33 centimeters in length and 19 centimeters in width, this sticker features a reflective finish that grabs attention both during the day and at night. Introducing an exceptionally bright optional LED brake light designed to clearly signal your braking actions, helping to prevent rear-end collisions. This unit features 180 luminous LEDs encapsulated in silicone, delivering a powerful 28 watts of output. It is engineered to work seamlessly with both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, ensuring universal compatibility with most vehicles. The 35-inch glowing strip is securely attached under the windshield using adhesive tape, providing a reliable and fixed installation. Ball joints are built to withstand continuous loads and are made from robust materials, meaning that repairing or replacing them requires specialized tools. The universal pullers, constructed from high-strength carbon steel, are compatible with most car brands. They are designed to separate the spindle's support arm from the ball joint and can also be used to remove steering rod ends and various other components. The package includes 2 products. The elastic cable braid, a solution engineered to enhance the mechanical protection of cables, hoses, and pipes. In today's vehicles, the compact layout of components often leads to situations where cables, hoses, or wiring harnesses come into contact with each other or with parts of the engine, chassis, or suspension during movement. This contact can accelerate abrasive wear. The product is available in diameters of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 20, and 25 millimeters, offered in lengths of either 5 or 10 meters, and features a distinctive black and red color. The sealant is provided as an adhesive tape, ideal for sealing headlights and other structural components. It measures 0.8 inches in width, 0.09 inches in thickness, and is 130 inches long. For installation, cut the tape to your required length. Remove the protective backing from both sides, and then apply it to the area that needs sealing. Thread Locker is a specialized liquid designed for securing threaded joints, notably Loctite 242 with a medium-strength fixation. It is commonly used to prevent unintended loosening of a connection. Simply applying 1 drop onto the thread at the screw point and allowing it to dry is sufficient for effective locking. Additionally, this agent withstands high temperatures and is resistant to various chemicals. This is just some of the coolest car gadgets available on Amazon. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.